Hey everybody, happy Friday. We made it through 2 weeks of e-learning. Woohoo! Way to go. I have a couple announcements for this Friday morning. So if you go into Math and Science Distance Learning Farber, you click on classwork, you'll notice you only have 3 assignments for today. So the first thing is, where in this picture do you see a fraction? I've noticed 10 of you have already turned it in. It's not even Friday yet. So you're gonna click on the image and you're going to make up a fraction based on what you see here. An example would be 4/10 of the animals are cats. So you have to explain what fraction you see, 4/10, and then how your fraction fits the picture. That 4/10 of the animals are cats. Okay, so that should not take you very long. Next thing you're going to answer is just a question. 5 plus n is greater than 15. I just want you to solve for n. Give me a value for n that would make that statement true. Then the last thing, and this is what's going to take you a little bit more time, is a geometry project that I would like everybody to do. I noticed 2 of you have turned it in, and actually the 2 kids that have turned it in, if the other students have questions and are commenting, please feel free to help them kind of troubleshoot through this. So you're going to be making a slideshow explaining some geometry terms. I have put all of them on the slideshow, but you only need to choose 5, okay? If you want to do more, fine, but I only need 5. That's it. So you can skip around. You don't have to do all of them. Just do 5. So I'm going to click view assignment here so that way you can see what you're going to see. So you're going to need to do these 4 things. Number 1, you're going to need to use your computer to look around your house for real life examples of the geometry terms. Okay. Number 2, you're going to get in the website Desmos that we always got in before we went on this break, and you are going to screenshot what you made in Desmos of the same exact thing. Number 3, you're going to tell me how your real life picture represents your geometry term that you're doing. And then number 4, just give a basic definition of the term. Please make it in your own words. Don't like copy paste off of a website. So I'm going to show you right now how to do one of these. So I'm going to click the geometry slideshow. When it pulls up, you're going to notice everything is already set up for you. Thank you, Mr. Walston. He has set up all the geometry terms that you have an option to complete. He also was kind enough to give us an example of an obtuse angle, and you can read that yourself. So I'm going to show you another example here. I noticed downstairs in my kitchen that I saw a set of perpendicular lines. So I'm going to click on perpendicular. I'm going to do that. When you go to actually take a picture with your Chromebook, you're going to go to Insert, Image, and then you're going to click Camera. When you click Camera, it'll automatically come up. You'll take a picture. You'll click the picture button, and then it'll automatically just say insert, and you click insert and it will put it in there. Now mine, I'm actually going to upload from my computer because I already downloaded the photo on my computer. So I am going to go in my desktop, and I have my window. Let's see, where is that? Isn't it great when you can't find things when you want to find things quickly? Let's see what it's called. Image. Okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, here it is. So this is the image that I found. Okay, so I am going to make that a little bit smaller so you can see it. So that's step 1, put in your photo. Step 2, you're going to go to the Desmos site and you're going to create your geometry term. So I need to create perpendicular lines. So I am going to do 1 line and 2 lines there. And now I'm going to take a screenshot. Your screenshot tool is going to be different than my screenshot tool. So if you need a refresher on how to do that, I have posted a lot of how to do a screenshot. So you can look back to like your math facts or anything like that that you need to do. So now I have taken a screenshot, and that screenshot now shows up on my desktop, which is right over here. Okay, so I am going to, I am now going to go back into this. There we go, let me make it fit the screen. And I'm going to insert another image that I'm going to also upload from my computer. This time it's my screenshot. So I believe it's that one that I just took right now. There it is. And I'm going to minimize it so that way you can also see that. So I've got my real life image, I've got my Desmos. Now I need to click here to add text. So I am going to say I have a window frame on my kitchen door that shows perpendicular lines. Okay, and then I'm going to add my own definition. Capitalize there. My definition of perpendicular lines, these are lines that form 4 right angles. Okay, and I can even label this if you want to. That way I can find it right away. All right, and I'm done. So now I only have to do 4 more. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll have a question and answer thing on the stream for Friday if you need anything. And also the kids who are done and kids who have already done this and feel comfortable doing this, feel free to answer the questions as well, because my computer is going to be a little bit different than yours since I'm not working on a Chromebook. Okay? All right. I hope you guys have a great weekend and stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you guys next week.